In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Cloudways in 2025. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Cloudways. It's a managed cloud hosting platform that's incredibly user-friendly and offers streamlined solutions for hosting and server management. If you're already familiar with Cloudways, you know that its interface is quite intuitive. Now, once you're on the Cloudways homepage, the next step is to log in. This should be straightforward if you have your credentials handy. If you're new to Cloudways and haven't created an account yet, you might want to pause here and get that done first. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Cloudways dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of everything related to your hosting environment. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout if this is your first time here. Next, you're going to want to click on My Servers. This section hosts all the information you need about the servers you manage through Cloudways. It's essential that you know where this tab is located, as it's going to be your central hub for connecting your domain. Once you're in the My Servers tab, click on the specific server that you'd like to connect with your Namecheap domain. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct server if you manage multiple ones. After clicking, you'll see various options and details about your server. You've arrived at a critical point in the process. Look for the public IP address of your server. It should be clearly listed on this page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll want to copy this IP address since it's what you'll be using to link your Namecheap domain to this server. With the public IP copied, your next stop is Namecheap. Log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the domain list to find the domain you want to connect to Cloudways. Once you locate it, click on Manage. Here, you'll be updating the DNS records to point your domain to your Cloudways server. Look for the section where you can manage DNS settings. Typically, this will involve creating a new A record. Paste the public IP you copied from Cloudways into the appropriate field for the A record in Namecheap. That's it. With the DNS records updated, your domain should now be pointing to Cloudways. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate fully, sometimes up to 48 hours, though often much faster. Patience is key here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, having your domain connected to your hosting server is a crucial step in ensuring your website is accessible to users worldwide. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.